Hello, everyone. My name is Elijah.
Good morning. Welcome to our kitchen.
Mom, can we go to the vegetable market today? I want to see the vegetables.
Yes, Elijah, we will go this morning.
Look, Mom. These vegetables are colorful.
Yes, Elijah, we will buy fresh vegetables today.
Mom, I like carrots. They are my favorite.
Carrots are healthy. We will buy some. Let us pack these vegetables.
Okay, Mom.
We will take them to the table. I will watch carefully. Elijah, write our shopping list. We need some vegetables.
Okay, Mom. I'm ready to write. First, I will write shopping list. This will help us remember.
Good idea, Elijah. That is very helpful. Write tomatoes, potatoes, and onions.
Okay, Mom.
We also need carrots.
I am writing them. Wow, we will buy many vegetables.
Yes, Elijah. Fresh vegetables are healthy. Elijah, take the shopping bag.
Yes, Mom, I am ready.
Let us go to the market. Elijah, let us walk to the market. It is not very far.
Yes, Mom, I like walking with you. Mom, the weather feels really nice today. The morning air.
A lovely morning. Walking to the market feels good, doesn't it?
Mom, carrots are my favorite. They are sweet and crunchy.
That is good, Elijah.
Carrots are healthy. I like vegetables, Mom. They are good for health.
Yes, Elijah. Vegetables make us strong.
But Mom, I do not like bitter gourd. It is very bitter.
Many children say that.
But it is healthy.
You are funny, Elijah. Maybe you will like it later.
Maybe, Mom, but not today. Mom, look there. I can see the market.
Yes, Elijah.
We are almost there. Mom, I am excited.
I want to see many vegetables.
You will see many stalls today. The market is colorful.
Welcome to the vegetable market. Let us start shopping.
Wow, Mom, the market is so colorful. Mom, there are so many vegetables here. I see different colors.
Yes, Elijah. The market always has fresh vegetables every morning.
Mom, look at those red tomatoes. They look very fresh.
Yes, they do. Let us buy some tomatoes for our cooking.
Mom, how do we know if tomatoes are fresh?
Good question, Elijah. Fresh tomatoes are firm and bright red. See, Elijah, I gently press the tomato. If it feels firm, it is fresh.
Oh, that is interesting. Mom, I will hold the bag for you. I want to help today.
Thank you, Elijah. You are being very helpful. These carrots look fresh and crunchy. They will taste delicious.
I can't wait to eat them. Carrots are very tasty. Mom, look at those long green vegetables. What are they called?
Those are cucumbers. They are cool and refreshing.
Cucumbers look very fresh. I like their green color.
Yes, Elijah. Cucumbers are very healthy too.
Hello there. Welcome to my vegetable stall.
Hello. We would like to buy some fresh vegetables.
Hello, young boy. What is your name?
My name is Elijah. Nice to meet you. You have so many vegetables here. Everything looks fresh.
Thank you. I bring fresh vegetables every morning.
Sir, how much are these tomatoes?
These tomatoes are very fresh. They are 40 rupees per kilo.
That sounds good. Please give us 1 kilo of tomatoes.
Of course, I will pick the best ones for you. Here are some fresh tomatoes. They are very sweet and juicy.
They look really nice. Thank you.
Here is 100 rupees for the tomatoes.
Thank you, madam. The tomatoes cost 40 rupees.
The tomatoes cost 40 rupees. Mom gave 100 rupees. If we pay 100 rupees and the tomatoes cost 40 rupees, then the balance... Mom, the balance should be 60 rupees.
That is correct, Elijah. Here is your 60 rupees change.
Very good, Elijah. Your math is correct.
Mom, look! So many green leaves.
Yes, Elijah, that is spinach.
Spinach is very healthy. Mom, the leaves feel soft.
Yes, Elijah.
They are very fresh. Mom, which one will you choose?
I will choose the fresh one.
Mom, what is this leaf? This is coriander.
It smells very nice.
Wow. Yes, Elijah.
Coriander adds flavor to food. Are these potatoes fresh? How much?
Yes, madam. They are fresh today. Rupees 25 per kg, madam.
Mom, they look big. Mom, can I pick the best ones?
Of course, Elijah. Choose the good potatoes. These potatoes look fresh. Let us take 1 kilogram.
I will help you, Mom.
1 kilogram of potatoes.
Wow, that is a lot.
They are very fresh.
Here is 25 rupees.
Thank you, madam.
Mom paid the money.
Here are your potatoes.
Thank you. Let us make French fries today at home. Mom, look, bananas and grapes.
Yes, Elijah. Let us buy some fruits. How much are the bananas?
Bananas are 30 rupees.
And the grapes?
Wow, so many grapes.
And the grapes?
Grapes are 50 rupees.
Mom, bananas are 30 rupees. Grapes are 50 rupees. Let me add them.
Alright, let's see.
30 plus 50? That is 80 rupees.
Very good, Elijah. Here is 100 rupees.
Thank you, madam.
Mom paid 100.
Your total is 80 rupees. Here is 20 rupees change.
Yes, the balance is 20. We bought bananas and grapes.
Yes. And you did the math right, Elijah. Good.
Mom, we bought many vegetables and fruits.
Yes, Elijah. We chose very fresh food today.
I helped you choose them.
Yes, you did a great job. I am proud of you.
Mom, What will we cook today?
We will cook a healthy meal with all these vegetables.
Today was fun, Mom.
Yes, Elijah. Shopping together is always fun.
I love going to the market. Mom, we bought many vegetables and fruits.
Yes, Elijah. We chose very fresh food today.
Today was fun, Mom.
Yes, Elijah. Shopping together is always fun.
I love going to the market. Hi, I'm Elijah. Today I went to the market with my mom. We bought many fresh fruits and vegetables. Now we are home and everything is on the table. I am very happy today. See you in the next video.